Oi, wakey wakey, it's time to make dinner. Peri Piri chicken. Next guys, we're gonna just cut up the side of its spine, simply on the other side, just like that. All you do is cut that spine out. So flip your chicken back over, just like you're gonna press down just here, or give it a crack, and that's gonna break the remaining bone. Is beautifully butterflied. Now spatchcocked our chicken. She's beautiful, she's laid out flat, she's ready to be moist and cooked in the oven. Good olive oil like this bad boy here. So get your hands in, massage that olive oil all over. So the next thing is guys, is we need to season this skin. Also flip your bird over and give it a good damn seasoning. Some black pepper. Grab your butter, your peri peri butter, and then just simply, you want to stick that under the bird's skin. Just give a quick pat around on the skin for any excess. So next guys, all we need to do is bang this bird into the oven. So I've whacked it on a wire rack with some baking paper underneath. Catch the juices. Got the oven on 190°C. Going to cook this bad boy for roughly 45 to 55 minutes, depending on the size of your bird. Here is our beautiful peri peri bird.